Good
So,
morning to one and all present here. A warm welcome to all of you for this wonderful session. And I would like to thank you all for taking a decision to join this session. First of all, congratulations for the same. Here, I would like to invite Pavan sir. So he's Dr. Pavan Trivedi. He is doctorate in English language teaching, has been into the field of teaching as well as looking after different managerial positions and positions of leadership for last 20 years. He is into the academics. He is also associated with industry academia relationships and how to enhance it further for better employability skills. So I request Pavan sir to begin the session.
thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Let me take this privilege and let me grab this opportunity to interact with the students, those who are keen to shape up their career in abroad, especially in abroad education. So, I'm really thankful to Sri Pradyuman sir, the Director of Linguistic Studies in Parul University. And this entire interaction will be divided into two parts. One, I'm just going to talk about career and why and how one should plan career. And the second part, how one can go for IELTS preparation as well as the importance of foreign languages and how one can prepare, how one can learn foreign languages being at Parul University. So I'll try to be bilingual, reason being many times parents and students both are in the audience. So they understand what exactly we want to communicate. I'll try to be bilingual and I'll try to put forward all the points. Very important point is बड़ी कसोमकस से निकल रही है जिंदगी, बड़ी कसोमकस से निकल रही है जिंदगी, किसी को रास्ता पता किसी को मंजिल, जिसे दोनों पता है उसे कहीं जाना नहीं और जिसे जाना है उसे कुछ पता नहीं. आई रिक्वेस्ट समवन प्लीज, प्रद्युमन सर आपको माइक बंद करना पड़ेगा. थैंक यू.
ओके सर.
किसी को रास्ता पता नहीं किसी को मंजिल, जिसे दोनों पता है उसे कहीं जाना नहीं और जिसे जाना है उसे कुछ पता नहीं. Many times we are actually deserving one of the best career available on planet Earth. धरती के सबसे अच्छे करियर में से एक करियर हमारे लिए हमारा इंतजार कर रहा होता है, लेकिन चूंकि उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास सही समय पे सही तरीके से नहीं मिली होती है, इस नाते उस करियर को हम लोग पाते नहीं हैं. एंड थ्रू आउट द लाइफ वी कीप लॉन्गिंग, हम उसका पछतावा करते रहते हैं, हम उसका इंतजार करते रहते हैं और बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे हम काम तो करते हैं, सर्वाइव भी करते हैं, अर्न भी करते हैं, लाइफ भी जीते हैं, लेकिन वो जो सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलना चाहिए वो मिसिंग एस्पेक्ट होता है. आज का जो सेशन है वो मुख्यत्वे वी वांट टू कवर द इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ फॉरेन एजुकेशन. जब भी फॉरेन एजुकेशन की बात आती है, सो पीपल डू हैव मल्टीपल थॉट प्रोसेस. वन, कि क्या हम अभी ग्रेजुएशन के फर्स्ट ईयर से ही फॉरेन जा करके पढ़ाई का प्लानिंग शुरू कर दें? स्टार्ट थिंकिंग फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ. इज इट राइट टाइम टू प्लान? इज इट राइट टाइम टू बिगिन? I'll try to answer each and every question next couple of minutes, and after that I'll request Director Linguistic Studies at Parul University, Mr. Pradyuman sir, to take over. But I'll just cover important points as far as covering these all areas are concerned. So let me begin this entire discussion with one of the presentation, and hope I would be able to put forward all the important issues which I wanted to put forward. But the concern is every child, every student do have all rights to shape up their career. हर बच्चे का अपना एक अधिकार है कि वो अपने करियर को बेहतर ढंग से अच्छी जगह पर लेकर के जाए. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट ये है कि हम लोग प्लानिंग बहुत लेट शुरू करते हैं, हम चीज़ों को समझना लेट शुरू करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मान लीजिए कि आप फर्स्ट ईयर ग्रेजुएशन में आज की तारीख में हैं और आपको 3 साल के बाद, आपको आफ्टर 3 years अथवा आफ्टर 4 years आप चाहते हैं कि यस व्हाई एक्चुअली Yeah. So in case you are in third year right now, you are in first year right now, आपके पास 3 साल का पूरा वक्त है और इन 3 सालों में आपको अपने आप को तैयार करना है दुनिया के सबसे बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी या बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन में पढ़ाई करने के लिए। तो इट टेक्स इट्स ओन कोर्स ऑफ टाइम, इसका पूरा अपना एक समय लगता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में हैं एंड आप अभी से उसकी प्रिपरेशन शुरू करना चाहते हैं तो आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी होनी चाहिए। आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी है तो उसके साथ साथ में आपके मेरिट होने चाहिए। आपको जर्मनी पढ़ने जाना है, यू वांट टू परस्यू योर मास्टर्स इन जर्मनी, so minimum 85% in your graduation, it is essential. Now scoring 85%, it's not possible in 1 year. You need to begin from first year itself. So every planning requires a due course of time. हर एक प्लानिंग के लिए अपना एक वक्त चाहिए, अपना एक समय चाहिए। Therefore, आज का जो पूरा प्रोग्राम है फॉरेन एजुकेशन के लिए अभी से हम क्या प्लानिंग और कैसे प्लानिंग करें, इन चीजों को कवर करता है। एंड आई एम टेकिंग इट अप फर्दर। आई वन शुड प्लान फॉरेन एजुकेशन एंड हाउ। It has 4 major factors and very important factors I'm covering with. 1, economical. Dear friends, one should know very well what expenses are involved into it. आप कनाडा पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आप यूरोप के किसी देश में पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आप यूनाइटेड किंगडम में पढ़ना चाहते हैं, आप कहीं और पढ़ना चाहते हैं, यू शुड हैव वेरी क्लियर कट आइडिया एक्सपेंस कितना इन्वॉल्व है, इसमें खर्च कितना होगा। And for that, we at Parul University, we help students to study in the minimum cost, in the best institution, best program in foreign. Second one, psychological. You need to start preparation from today itself. In case you want to go to somebody's land and study over there, shape up your career over there. अब दुनिया के किसी और देश में जाके रहना चाहते हैं, वहां पढ़ना चाहते हैं, अभी से उसकी एक मेंटालिटी होती है। एंड देयरफॉर वी एट पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी टेक यू ऑन एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम टू डिफरेंट नेशंस इन डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज। यू गो देयर, स्टे देयर फॉर अ मंथ, फॉर 6 months, स्टडी, अंडरस्टैंड, एक्सप्लोर, हैव एक्सपोजर एंड यू मेक माइंडसेट, यस आई एम मेड फॉर फॉरेन। मैं दुनिया के देशों में रह के पढ़ाई कर सकता हूं। एक मेंटालिटी आपकी तैयार होती है। ओवर देयर फूड हैबिट्स आर डिफरेंट, देयर सोशल एटिकेट्स आर डिफरेंट, देयर एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम देयर सिविलियंस आर डिफरेंट। सो शारीरिक तौर पे भी आपकी एक मेंटल प्रिपरेशन होती है कि वहां की फूड हैबिट के हिसाब से मुझे अपने आप ढालना है। एंड द फोर्थ एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट, दैट इज सोशल एस्पेक्ट। व्हेन यू गो देयर, यू आर हैविंग डिफरेंट लाइफस्टाइल। द कंसर्न इज, अगर आप फॉरेन एजुकेशन प्लान करते हैं तो ये सारी प्रिपरेशन करनी होती है। पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, इट बिलीव्स इफ माय स्टूडेंट वांट टू गो अब्रोड एंड स्टडी व्हाट देयर, शुड हैव ऑल 4 प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग इटसेल्फ। एंड देयरफॉर हम लोग पहले से आपकी तैयारी शुरू करते हैं। अब फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर के दरमियान आप 1 बार, 2 बार या 3 बार अब फॉरेन जाकर के वहां पे एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम में पढ़िए। साथ साथ में फर्स्ट ईयर में आपको करियर डेवलपमेंट सेल के माध्यम से आपकी इंग्लिश ठीक की जाएगी। सो योर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वुड बी बेटर। रीजन बीइंग, विदाउट इंग्लिश सर्वाइविंग इन द फॉरेन लैंड इट्स डिफिकल्ट। सेकंड वन, you get an opportunity to learn foreign languages. If you know French and German, I mean, it's very much essential to survive in Canada and various other nations. So foreign languages will help you to work, settle down in foreign. And third, preparing for IELTS. Now, IELTS सुनने में बहुत आसान चीज लगती है, लेकिन IELTS में स्कोर करना it's difficult. For that, listening and speaking, both abilities, it plays a vital role. Now, how to build your listening skill? In Parul, in one year, 365 days की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, we invite more than 2 to 3 dozen foreign speakers, जो दुनिया के अलग अलग देशों से आते हैं। You are attending their lectures. We are having more than 1200 international students on campus, जिनसे आप मिलजुल सकते हैं, जिनसे आप अपना फ्रेंड सर्कल बना सकते हैं। एंड यू बिल्ड योर लिसनिंग एबिलिटी सिंस यू आर टॉकिंग टू फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स। you are talking to students, those who are from other land. It means you are building your listening skills. You are building your spoken English. Reason being, you are interacting with them. So you are listening them and you are communicating. Means you are building both of the skill sets. Third stage is, that is preparing for IELTS. One of the best department Parul University do have, linguistics department. None of the university do have this sort of departments. Full fledged on your accent, on your diction, on your tone, how to pronunciate, how to write, how to tone down. I mean, everything being covered. It means along with your graduation, you are preparing for foreign education. So we are in university having one of the best state-of-art infrastructure, digitally empowered. You won't believe, during this entire lockdown period, we continued our education. हमने अपना पढ़ाना चालू रखा, हमने अपने सारे एग्जामिनेशन ऑनलाइन लिए हैं, ऑनलाइन सारी चीजें की हैं, and during the last 4 to 5 months, more than 500 guest lectures हमने किए. The basic intention is continuous data यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए, यहाँ पे कंटेंट आना चाहिए. We are having faculty members, majority of them are doctors. आपको IELTS के प्रिपरेशन भी जो कराएंगे, they are doctorate in PhD. They have attained a level. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी आकर के आपको पढ़ा के जा रहा है. We are having one of the best placement cell, ensuring जिस भी स्टूडेंट को प्लेसमेंट चाहिए उसको प्लेसमेंट मिले. In case you are planning to go for your own business, we support you. And global exposure, always are talking about. We are having hostel capacity of more than 10,000 students on campus. लड़के और लड़कियां दोनों के लिए 10,000 से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट कैंपस में रहें, और ऐसी कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है जो कैंपस में आपकी पूरी नहीं होती है. वी प्रोवाइड ऑल नेसेसरी facilities which are required for a student to stay in campus and study smoothly. The concern is we want to stand with you on your every step. जो पहली स्टेयर दिख रही है, जो पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी के नीचे दिख रही है, वो आपके लिए. क्योंकि imagine you are expecting yourself in one of the best institution in Canada, and that's also on scholarship basis. आज से आप प्रिपरेशन शुरू करोगे, एक एक स्टेप प्रिपरेशन आप शुरू करोगे. थर्ड ईयर खत्म होने से पहले आप चाहे GRE दो, चाहे GMAT दो, चाहे LTS दीजिए, चाहे PIT, कोई भी टेस्ट देते हैं, यू बी हैविंग वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कोर, क्योंकि यू प्रिपेयर्ड ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 3 years. आपके पास आपके प्रोफाइल में फर्म जर्मन है, फ्रेंच है, आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स हैं, जिसके नाते जो चीज वहां पर चाहिए वो सारा आपके प्रोफाइल में. आपका SOP इतना स्ट्रांग बनेगा, इतना स्ट्रांग बनेगा कि आपको कोई रिजेक्ट कर ही नहीं सकता है. Reason being, we at Parul University believes in guaranteed career. चाहे हम गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना चाहते हैं, हमारे पास डिफेंस सर्विसेज के लिए पूरा डिफरेंट सेल है. वी आर हैविंग UPSC प्रिपरेशन सेल, वी आर हैविंग फॉरेन एजुकेशन के लिए पूरे का पूरा. आपको वीजा लेना है, आपको पढ़ाई करनी है, आपको प्रिपरेशन करनी, एवरीथिंग. आप आगे कैट की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं, गेट की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं, वी आर हैविंग फैसिलिटीज. Every sort of programs we are having at Parul University. We believe in 360 development, 360 degree development. Dear friends, आज कोरोना है, कल नहीं होगा. आप आज भी हो और कल भी रहोगे. एजुकेशन आज भी है, कल भी रहेगा. आप आज भी उस कंपटीशन को फेस कर रहे हो, कल भी करोगे. We need to prepare ourselves for the best competition. आपका क्वेश्चन होगा, ऑनलाइन पढ़ने से पता चलेगा. जब पहली बार ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग लाई गई थी देश में, आई नो, आई एम ओरिजिनली नेशनल डिबेट चैंपियन. आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई हैव सीन दिस ऑल थिंग्स फ्रॉम माय ओन आईज. आई टुडे इवन आई पार्टिसिपेट इन वेरियस कॉम्पिटिशंस and I have trained students for various competitive examination. People used to oppose like anything across India that we don't have electricity, people are less aware on computer, internet, and with these all basic facilities, how they operate computer, online banking कैसे चलेगी. इतना अपोज हुआ देश में कि बात मत करिए. Today, if you go to the Nepal border, Bhutan border, Bangladesh border, Pakistan border, any border, the most farthest and remote area, they are operating online banking. Share market, when we did it online, तब भी बहुत hue and cry हुआ. but today it's entirely paper and pen less. The concern is जब भी चीजें बदलेंगी तो लोग उसको अपोज करेंगे, अनएक्सेप्टेबल एनवायरनमेंट बनाएंगे. बट द फैक्ट इज only change is permanent. कोरोना के नाते जो बदलाव आया है, ये बदलाव आपको और मुझे एक्सेप्ट करना है. ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन now it's going to be part of our life. Sitting at home, you prepare for foreign languages, you prepare for IELTS. Reason being, someone has to begin. आती है तो क्रिकेट आता है. 2,963 one days were played in 7 years. Entire picture was changed. 2,963 one days were played in 6 decades, in around 60 years, and highest score was 193 in limited over match, that is in 60 and later on 50. In December 2010, the first double century was made by Sachin Tendulkar. People believe that it's going to be forever now, none can break it. But in next 15 months, hardly 260 matches were played and Sehwag broke that record. लोगों को लगा अब क्या, but you'd be surprised. December 2010, the first double knock was made. Before the end of 2017, 7 double centuries were made. 7 double centuries. Someone need to begin. Dear friends, you need to start. Come out of all your comfort zone. Come out of your comfort zone. Don't think that I'm at home. जब लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा, सरकार अनाउंस करेगी, उसके बाद हम एडमिशन लेंगे, उसके बाद हम पढ़ाई करेंगे. इन सब चीजों का इंतजार करना कोई सेंस नहीं है. At Parel University, in this academic term, thousands of the students have already taken admission. In first year, they have started their classes. Along with their regular classes, they are preparing for French, they are preparing for German, they are learning IELTS, they are learning for various other skill development programs, they are preparing for UPSC, GPSC, they are preparing for SSB, they are preparing for various other skill sets programs. Reason being, career is a planned structure. Career cannot be unplanned. Career is a planned structure. It's like chessboard. I should know कौन सा पॉन मैं कब चल रहा हूं और इसकी जरूरत कहां पड़ेगी. It is not like snake and ladder. ये सांप सीढ़ी नहीं है कि जितना नंबर आए, सांप आ गया तो निगल लिया, सीढ़ी मिल गया तो चढ़ लिया. That's not possible in career, dear friends. It should be well structured, well planned. I should know right away where do I want to land up 3 years down the line, 4 years down the line. I should be very clear in my approach. And therefore, I request you all, you join Parel University today in any of the program in graduation, ensure you foreign education. I, Dr. Pawan Dwivedi, who has guided more than 4 lakh students on career till date, helped more than 10,000 students to get job in the industries, helped more than thousands of the students in government jobs and other competitive examinations. I assure you that your career will be ensured from my end. There are 22,000 plus career options across the globe. Along with various courses, you can attain, you can get that career option. अगर आप 12th बायो ग्रुप के स्टूडेंट हैं, at Parel University, these are the courses available: MBBS, BMS, BHMS, nursing, physiotherapy, pharmacy, agriculture, dairy technology, public health, BSc, biotech and etc., BSc, environment science, geology and BSc paramedical courses. अगर आप आर्ट्स या कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो है कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, फाइन आर्ट्स, डिजाइन, एनिमेशन, VFX एंड एक्सेट्रा. आप मैथ्स के स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो इंजीनियरिंग, आर्किटेक्चर, BBA, BCA, MBA and various other courses. We are fully digitalized campus. आपके एक भी क्लास मिस नहीं होंगे, चाहे कोरोना आए, चाहे तूफान आए, चाहे अर्थक्वेक आए, चाहे बाढ़ आए. We ensure education, examination should be a continuous process. It should never be stopped. I, on behalf of Parel University, Dr. Pawan Dwivedi, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप अगर अपने करियर को लेकर सीरियस हैं, अपने करियर को लेकर के पूरा जेन्युइन है, आप चाहते हैं आने वाले समय में अपने करियर को एक मुकाम पर ले जाकर के आप खड़ा करें, तो आप डेफिनेटली इस समय हमारे साथ जुड़िए। और कोई भी कोर्स, इंजीनियरिंग, बीबीए, बीसीए, एमबीए, एमसीए, मेडिकल के कोई भी कोर्सेस, एमबीबीएस, बीएमएस, बीएचएमएस, नर्सिंग, फिजियोथेरेपी, फार्मेसी में भी डिप्लोमा फार्मेसी, डिग्री फार्मेसी अथवा फार्मडी, आप डिजाइन, आर्किटेक्चर, फाइन आर्ट्स किसी भी कोर्स में ज्वाइन करिए। आप बीए, बीकॉम, बीएससी, एग्रीकल्चर, डेयरी टेक्नोलॉजी कोई भी कोर्स में ज्वाइन करिए, होटल मैनेजमेंट ज्वाइन करिए। लेकिन उसके साथ साथ में अगर आप फॉरेन जाना चाहते हैं तो उसकी प्रिपरेशन अभी से आप शुरू करें। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आने वाले समय में अगर आपने आज से अपनी प्लानिंग शुरू की, आपकी इंग्लिश ठीक हो गई फर्स्ट ईयर में, आप सेकेंड ईयर आते आते अपने फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस सीख लिए, थर्ड ईयर आते आते आपने एलटीएस की पूरी प्रिपरेशन कर ली, अपना एलटीएस दे दिया है, बीच में आपने फॉरेन एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम के तहत आप एक आध दो बार आप विदेश जाकर के आए हैं, फॉरेन जाकर के आए हैं, आप हमारे इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के साथ रह करके उसका बेनिफिट ले रहे हैं। वी आर हैविंग ऑल फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, एवरी क्लासरूम टीचिंग इज इन इंग्लिश, टेक बेनिफिट ऑफ आवर लिंग्विस्टिक डिपार्टमेंट, एंड आई कैन इंश्योर ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी दैट if you come with the specific planning, if you come with a clear-cut structure ready in mind, we ensure you the best career. We offer you the best career, 360-degree development in your personal life, in your professional life. In case you are having any confusion, आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आपके लिए कौन सा करियर सही है, कौन सा स्पेशलाइजेशन सही है, आपको क्या करना चाहिए, feel free to contact me, Dr. Pawan Dwivedi. I ensure you to help you to get the best course जो आपकी पर्सनालिटी, आपके एट्रीब्यूट्स, आपकी क्वालिटीज के साथ मैच होती हैं, वो मैं आपको दावे के साथ कहता हूँ मैं ढूंढ करके दूंगा। लेकिन कंफ्यूजन में किसी भी तरह से अपने करियर को डिस्टर्ब न करें, रुके नहीं, कोरोना के नाते रुके नहीं। मैं प्रोफेसर प्रद्युमन राज सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, डायरेक्टर लिंग्विस्टिक डिपार्टमेंट पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, to take over this station and guide us how his department and his wing can help us to learn foreign languages and score better in IELTS. So I request Director Sir to take this entire discussion further.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the beautiful insights about the career guidance and how to choose appropriate career, how to move ahead in the area of languages if they are interested. So it was indeed necessary information shared by you. I would just take over. So friends, those who are watching it, I am Pradyuman Raj, Director at Linguistic Studies Center. We look after teaching students foreign languages as well as those who are planning to go abroad. They undergo the course of IELTS. Okay, so these are the areas which we look after. Now let us understand. I'll just brief you by presenting few of the details of our department so that you have an idea that which are the services offered at Linguistic Studies Center, which things we look after, and how every individual student gets personal counseling as well as attention. Okay. So let us start then. I mean, my introduction is already done, so we move ahead. So these are three programs which we are offering at present to students of Parul University. There is an additional program offered. Okay, so it's like IELTS examination when they take and when they go for the examination. Okay, that score is valid for 2 years. So if there are students of Parul University who are planning to be part of IELTS, they have an additional option that they study IELTS, take the international examination, but then we consider that result to be reflected in their mark sheet. But it would be named functional English. And that's how the subject would remain in the mark sheet for lifetime. Okay, so if you're planning to take admission in foreign universities, there are some universities which ask proof of English subject which you studied in your university during your graduation. And this subject getting entry in your mark sheet would definitely be reflected in your transcript. So that's how it helps you to have advantage of studying it with us. Other than that, we have French and German. Now, in any language which we study, okay, be it IELTS also, every language as per common European framework has 6 levels. which varies from A1, A2, B1, B2 up to C1 and C2. Okay, so from that, at present, we are offering French and German A1 to students of Parul universities. Okay, so now if we talk about why you should choose to study these courses at Linguistic Studies Center, okay, the utmost reason for the same would be that we prefer to have one-to-one counseling with students. So you have personal attention from the day you join for classes till the day you complete the course. Okay, here preparation is done exam oriented. So then there are enough number of class tests, mock tests, oral tests conducted to make you confident and to make you score well in the examination which you actually take after completion of the course. Okay. Now, before lockdown, we used to have classes in campus, but now with advancement in technology and looking at the need of an hour, we started online classes. So at present, there are 4 batches of IELTS as well as 1 batch of German and French going on. So at present, there are 6 batches simultaneously going on and which are online. Okay, so everything remains same. In language teaching, the focus is on skill-based language teaching. So that's listening, speaking, reading, writing, and other than that, grammar, punctuations, things are also focused equally on. So that's how we move ahead with online teaching. We do have good team with us. So there are trainers who have good number of years of experience. They have had exposure to different training programs, and that's how they are here with us. Okay. Other than this, we also provide you an option of batch repetition, which is free of cost. We do not charge even a single penny for allowing you to repeating the batch. While the same is not the case in other organizations from where you pursue any of these courses. The only condition from our side is that whenever the next batch starts, you can repeat it. Okay, so it's not that only for you we can start the batch and you get it repeated. Okay, so that's the only condition. As and when we plan for next batch, and when it starts, you can repeat the batch if you wish to. Personal counseling, I already discussed. So whenever there are mock tests conducted, feedback of mock test is provided to you. So either written or oral, face-to-face, all ways are utilized to provide you proper feedback so that your score improves, your knowledge increases by the time you appear for next test. Okay, so let's understand IELTS first of all. Okay, so we have mix of audio video sessions and now it's already online. We form WhatsApp group, so there is continuous communication going on WhatsApp group. Every day there is one or the other video link shared on WhatsApp group which relates to English language learning. So that's how it goes on. There are total 50 sessions conducted for one batch. Okay, so that probably goes till 2.5 to 3 months, up to 3 months. Okay, considering that there are no holidays in between, then we will be able to finish the batch during this stipulated time. Now, we prefer to have 25 students. Okay, that's the batch size. But then looking at demand, and there are many students, like we also observe that there are many final year students who are planning to go abroad soon. Okay, probably from next September season. So we have a separate batch for final year students, and in that batch we have more number of students. Okay, if we look at what is offered at Parul University and what is there outside Parul University. So in terms of IELTS at present, though the course is of 10,000 rupees, we are offering 5,000 rupees discount. So it actually all facilities which were available in 10,000 rupees earlier are now available in just 5,000 rupees. If you look for the same course outside, it would vary from organization to organization and from city to city as well. Okay, batch size I already discussed with you. Now, number of books. Now we teach from set of 3 books in classroom. Other than that, like other organizations, we also have IELTS test series, total 13 books. Okay, so we provide those books to students one by one. So once student take one book, completes that book, we also check whether student has completed it genuinely or not, and only after that we provide them the other set of books. Okay, so that's how it goes on. So you can imagine in 5,000 rupees, you have 50 sessions to attend. Okay, there are good number of mock tests conducted. You get personal attention, one-to-one counseling. enough study material, plus there are 13 books available. Okay, so good study material bank is available which you can utilize. If we talk about mock tests, okay, there are total 5 mock tests which we conduct. Now, these mock tests focus on listening, speaking, reading, writing. So all 4 skills are emphasized. So your entire test is of up to 3 to 3.5 hours, one mock test. Okay, so if we look at it in detail, I would say there are other organizations who offer fixed number of free mock tests. So if you join them, number 1, you have to pay more fees. Number 2, they teach you for less hours. Number 3, you don't get enough material for study the way we are providing it over here. Number 4, they have limited number of mock tests. So if they have 2, 3, or 4 number of mock tests offered with the fees which you paid, once those number of mock tests are completed by you, okay, they will stop providing you feedback for your self-tests conducted by yourself. So as a result, what happens? They charge extra from you. While here at Parul University, we would never prefer to charge extra from your side for the same thing. Okay, batch repetition, we already discussed that it's free of cost. Okay, we understand that it's for the benefit of students. There might be situations, some urgency of academics, okay, non-academic, medical. So we look into the reasons why a student could not complete the batch properly and why he or she would like to attend the batch. Okay, now personal attention, which has already been discussed. If we look at the teaching methodology, so I discussed that we have WhatsApp group, there's one-to-one counseling done, regular homework is there. What we do at present is in online classes, we teach using different online platform. We also form Google Classroom. So students join Google Classroom, study material is uploaded in Google Classroom. Okay, there are video links, notes, books, everything shared in Google Classroom. Other than that, okay, we also upload tests in Google Classroom. So what students do is students complete the test at home, okay, and then upload tests in Google Classroom. So we assess their responses, we provide them written feedback here, and then they are graded. So this is how it goes on through Google Classroom, right? So you just do not have to worry about it that if I am from Mumbai or if I am from Chhattisgarh, okay, how would my writing be assessed by trainer? Okay, at present we have students not only from India but from different countries as well. Okay, so there are different batches going on and we see that in each batch there are 2 to 3 international students with us. Other than that, the students who are already in the batch are from different places all over India. So that's how our batches are going online and we have students from all over the places. So looking after the problems, as and when we faced any problem, we immediately looked into the brainstorming and found solution for the same problem. And that's how we conduct it on Google Classroom. Everything is uploaded there. There are regular email communications done. WhatsApp group has been formed. Okay, so all updates are shared regularly with all students. Here we see IELTS success stories. So these are few of our students who completed their course from here, had undergone coaching, took the test, scored well. Okay, so you can see that bands vary from 7.56, 6.57. Okay, their individual as well as overall score has been provided here, just to give you an idea that how it works here. Okay. So now we move ahead with section of foreign languages, the services offered from our side for foreign languages, and those are German and French. You might have a question that why should I learn French or German? Okay, so let me tell you, in case of French, it's first most taught foreign language in India, in Canada, and in UK. Right, it's second most influential language of the world. Okay, second most taught language in entire Europe. Okay, third most useful language for business as well as career. Just because of its popularity and widespread population which uses this language, it has also become a language of bread and butter for many companies, bread and butter for many people living in different towns, cities, and different countries. Okay, so it's like, it's not just a translation job that you get, but there are other areas which can be looked after. Okay, if you are interested into the world of fashion, okay, if you are interested into the world of design, then definitely French is language for you, which actually opens up boundaries of country, and you can have interaction with people, professionals, customers from outseas as well. Let us understand German. Now, the way French is language of fashion, celebration, creativity. Similarly, German is known as the language of science. Okay, because maximum number of research papers all over the world published are in German language. Okay, if we talk about automobile and mechanical engineering, the hub of automobile in the world is Germany. Now, maximum number of German companies have in some or the other way connect with US based companies. So if we have any MNCs in India connected to US or Germany, definitely you stand high chances with German language certificate to get job in that company. Okay. Other than this, if you are from science field, definitely it's bright future for you to move abroad and go to Germany. If you talk about entire Europe, okay, in entire Europe, maximum number of entrepreneurial ventures are done in Germany, and Germany is actually famous for that. Maximum in one public survey conducted at international level, it has been found that maximum number of German people travel abroad to enjoy their holidays. Okay, so then this also addresses to the need of German language in the field of tourism. So it's not just science, research, engineering and automobile where German language is of much demand, but also in the field of tourism. Okay, so that's how we can see that if learning a language makes your profile stronger, you stand more opportunities to get employed. You stand more opportunities maybe to start your own business or expand your business at international level, to have international customers, to have international partnerships, okay, and other options. Okay, so let's move ahead. How these things are done here at Parul University. The way we discussed that IELTS has 50 sessions, this is almost double. Okay, this has total 95 sessions conducted, and each session is of 1.5 hours. Now it depends on batch. Okay, there were batches in which we had students ready to study for 2 hours. So there we conducted 2 hours sessions. But overall, the total comes to 142.5 hours. So if you have sessions of 1.5 hours, the course goes up to 4.5 months. If you go for 2 hours option, if the batch agrees for that, that batch goes up to 3.5 months. Okay, so that's how there is a variation of just 1 month difference. Okay, like IELTS, this also has audio video sessions. Okay, so then there is a WhatsApp group once again. Okay, a lot of videos are shared, German movies are shared. Sometimes you get innovative way of doing homework as well. Watch this movie and write specific dialogues. Watch this movie and find out which words are used for describing situation, or maybe for describing furniture, or listen to songs, German songs, and find out what these words mean. Okay, so there again it becomes audio-visual. You are watching on-screen video as well as you're listening to the song, and based on that you try to guess it. Okay, we also select type of songs which are slow but energetic. Okay, plus they are repetitive. So if lines are repeated, it becomes easy for us to understand things and to call out the meaning. So that's how it goes on. With every batch, we also experimented making them watch these foreign language movies and it did wonders. Okay, students liked it a lot. So if they were not able to understand word to word everything, they were able to catch few phrases. They were able to understand the situation, that these are the situations when they can use certain words. Okay, so this gives them an idea that if they would like to order something in a restaurant, if they call somebody and asking for routes to reach somewhere, or if they call and were asking for appointment with a doctor or for any other professional reasons, okay, they can do it confidently. Similarly, batch size, yeah, we prefer to have batch size of maximum 25. Okay, but so far the batches which we had around 14 to 15 students in a batch. Okay, so at present the current batch which is going on, in German we have 10 students, while in French we have 13 students. Okay, so that's how you can see the number of students are quite less. So then there is 100% personal attention. There is 100% one-to-one counseling. Every day there is focus on listening, speaking, reading, writing. So it's not just that write this or write that as a homework, but then sometimes we give watching movie, listening to song as homework, watching video as homework. Okay, sometimes let's say we are from Vadodara, okay, or a trainer picks up or finds out a video or an audio which describes the city of Paris. Okay, so then Paris is described in that video or in audio, and there maybe around 20-30 sentences are used. That is discussed in classroom, and then they are once again given the same audio video to listen to at home. And the task is that they have to write 10 to 15 sentences about their hometown. And that's how it progresses further, right? Means students listen to one ideal answer, model answer. Based on that, they understand meaning of words, they understand how they are to be used, and they frame sentences and write it by themselves. Okay, so this was just one example to make you understand how it works. Okay, plus the best part is that we also provide study material with the same. So again, books are provided to you. Okay, while in other coaching organizations, they charge you for the course. Once you join the course, they ask you to purchase books by yourself. Okay, so that's the difference which you see here with Parul University. These are some comparisons which we did with other classes. Okay, at Parul University, we are offering A1 level in 10,000 rupees. That too for 4 to 4.5 months. The course goes on till that time. Okay, but then there are different organizations offering it in different ways. Okay, I have mentioned cities and prices over here, like 22,000 rupees for 120 hours, plus the cost of book, 12,000 for just 50 sessions. Okay, so you can imagine we have 95 sessions, almost double. So then this price comes to 24,000. So actual course which can cost you paying 24,000 outside Parul University, here you get it in just 10,000 rupees. Okay, while there are a few classes you can see in Indore, Chennai, Delhi who charge 10,000 for just 40 hours. While at Parul University we teach you, as I mentioned, 142.5 hours. Okay, so that's almost 3 times more than this. 3.5 times more than this. Okay, so that comes to more than 30,000 rupees. Okay, so its calculation is definitely up to you. You can plan it accordingly. Okay, now here is the result of international certificate examination which our students took, and this is the score which they had received. Okay, now there are different centers all over India which conduct examinations. Centers have limitations of booking seats for dates, okay, for examination. So then there are fixed number of dates for fixed number of seats. So you have to apply for it. Now, guidance for applying IELTS examination, which is Gayatri, okay, that is also provided by our trainers. So they have proper understanding. So the day one they are in for the class, every details are provided to them till they take the examination and get the result. Okay, so that's how it works mutually with students and trainer. All of them work as a team, work as a group. Okay, and this is the result. When students appeared for listening, speaking, reading, writing tests at Bangalore Center, and when they came out after the performances, and because they had gone in a group, they were waiting for all students to complete the tests. So there was center head who came out and actually asked them that from where have you studied? Okay, all of you have scored wonderful. Okay, and this 81, that in a language, isn't it challenging? I think you would agree with it. So these are few more students from the same batch. Okay, you can see the highest score was 87. Okay, so 81 and 60 is passing. Okay, so you have to score 60 bare minimum. Less than that, you fail the examination. Okay, so this is how it comes. Now French. So we discussed almost everything about French as well. Okay, it's language of fashion industry and design. For creative people actually. Okay, so here are the students from our batch 1 of French language. These are students who actually wanted to go to France for further studies, students of engineering who wanted to pursue MBA over there. They applied for the courses and they had to undergo French course so that they get scholarship over there. Okay, that's how they did it. And right now, all of these students are in France. Probably they have completed their first semester and about to complete the second as well. Okay, so everything again is going online, even over there. So things are like this. Okay, even from batch of German, students completed level 1. Then they joined IELTS course over here. Few of them have cleared IELTS and few of them are still studying with us. So as soon as they get their IELTS score, we start applying for their foreign admissions. So this is how we move ahead for admissions as well. So they are guided properly for admissions. Here is the best example for you. These 6 students are right now in France. Okay, so that's what I was about to tell you. We are moving towards the end of presentation and I wouldn't be taking much of your time now. This information is equally crucial for you to understand. Okay, so those who are planning to go abroad, they also will have a lot of questions. So first step definitely is language. Once you are through with the language, okay, this is the next step to move towards your dream, to achieve your dream. Okay, so if you clear IELTS, got the required band scores, then depending on country which you are planning to go, you can opt for foreign language course, you can study it. Okay, so most of the students who are pursuing German are planning to go Germany. French are planning to go France. Okay, but still there are good number of students who are studying it out of hobby. So they are not planning to go abroad, but they are studying it just as hobby. Okay, we also have hotel management students with us studying French language. Okay, so they also have good scope over there. So at present they do not have any plans for it, but yes, they are studying it. So in future, if they wish to go there, they do not have to learn French at that time. So they are like, they study French right now and they will start practicing it, start speaking it. They would get connected to foreign professors and even to professionals of hotel industries. Okay, so these are few examples. This is how students plan in advance. And as Pawan sir suggested, all of you, then whichever career plan you have, it's absolutely fine. Okay, but your path should be clear. That what would you like to do? When would you like to do? And for that, which are the steps to be taken? How will you be taking those steps? And again, crucial, when will you be taking those steps? Okay, so at Parul University, the advantage is that first year when students are studying a lot of foundation subjects and bridge course and other things, where their study load is sort of less, that's the time when students enroll for French or German. Once they do it, it becomes habit for them. Okay, so then in third, fourth semester also, they have comparatively less workload than their final and pre-final year. So that's the time when they plan to pursue further levels. So once you complete A1 level, they go for A2 level. And students who are going to Germany, the advantage for them is that if they complete German language 4 levels over here, okay, they get scholarship and the tuition fee is waived off. Okay, so that's how education in Germany becomes free. You have to pay other expenses, miscellaneous expenses like library and development charges and other things. You have to pay for hostels, yeah, definitely, if you are going there for. So it's like your accommodation and other expenses are what you are going to manage with, but your tuition fee is waived. So it's major part of your fees for higher studies has been waived off. So that's the advantage, and that's the reason that majority of the students are pursuing German language with us, though it's not mandatory. Let us understand this. Okay, so what exactly do we do when you would like to take admission to foreign languages? Okay, so first stage we discussed already, it's IELTS and foreign languages. Other than that, what we do is, okay, we counsel students about the countries, like which country they would like to go, number one. Number two, which course they would like to opt for. Okay, and we literally have discussion in detail, like why would they like to go there? What exactly is the thinking process that they are following? Why have they chosen particular country? So, students have different objective for going abroad. Okay, there are group of students who go abroad to earn degree and they would like to come back. There are second group of students who would like to go there, earn degree, then take work visa, earn money and come back to the country. Third category is they would like to go there, study good degree, then work experience, and they would like to settle there. Fourth, they would like to go abroad at any cost. They are not bothered about the course which they would like to go for, but yes, they are sure that they would like to have work permit over there, and they would like to settle there. Okay, so like these, there are different categories of students who approach us, and as per their requirements, their expectations, okay, that what is their objective of going abroad, we provide them options. Okay, so be it Germany, be it Poland, so any European country, okay, or be it Canada, be it Switzerland, so any plans that students have, be it New Zealand as well. Okay, so we look after their study abroad process, their admission process. So it includes everything. So first I discussed was counseling, advice and assistance. So according to your demand, we provide you different options. Linguistics Center, which I already discussed with you. Admission applications. So we apply from here to different universities. Okay. So whatever is the process to be followed for specific universities or specific country, we follow that. Okay, so maybe sending it hard copy, soft copy, everything is looked after. Then there is guidance provided for visa interview, and visa application is also processed from here. Okay, so that's how you see it's proper career counseling taking place from our side. Okay, so these are the things which is looked after. Okay, so from going abroad till planning what to do there, okay, everything is covered here. Okay, so first step, languages. Second, counseling. Third, selection of countries, and then applying there, applying for visa, applying for scholarships. All such things are included. So here are a few of our students who are in different universities of Canada. They have started studying further. Okay. So that's it from our side. Okay. So if you have any more questions, you can definitely connect to me. In case if I'm in lectures, webinars, or seminars and I'm not able to receive your call, definitely you can WhatsApp me. So I will get back to you whenever I become free. So you can just drop a WhatsApp message that I would like to inquire for IELTS, French, German, or maybe I would like to know about the foreign country details. Whatever is your query, you can just write a WhatsApp message to me, as in when I become free, I will definitely get back to you. So that's how we function here.
Well, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
So
Yeah. Anyone having any question, either you are listening us on Facebook or listening anywhere, feel free to write it over here. We can answer. But one thing is for sure, along with your graduation program, in case you would like to shape up your entire career in 360 degree around your entire holistic development, overall development, as we started our planning right at around 7th and 8th standard, where exactly I would like to land up after 10th, after 12th. Therefore, after 10th, we decided which stream I'm going to opt: science, arts, commerce, or home science, or diploma, or mathematics group or bio group. So everything was predefined and pre-decided. Similarly, along with graduation, from the first year, first day itself, it should be well defined what exactly I want to attain in my career. And the best part is at Parallel University, you are getting all sort of support system so that by the end of your graduation or by the end of your masters, you should not be in any sort of dilemma that where should I proceed further. So from the first year, first day itself, you start planning. We are here to stand along. Whosoever, wherever you have any kind of question, feel free to connect us. Either Mr. Pradyuman Raj sir, related to foreign languages, related to IELTS, or related to any other examination which takes you abroad. In case you are having any question related to career planning, career related issues, definitely you can contact me, or you can contact any one of us for any sort of developmental issues. So I'm really thankful to Director, Linguistic Department, Sri Pradyuman Raj sir, Shari Pillai ma'am, for arranging this wonderful program, and trust in coming days we all together will ensure that none of the students studying at Parallel University will remain in any sort of career dilemma. They are not going to remain confused as far as their future planning is concerned. So I, Dr. Pawan Dwivedi, on behalf of Parallel University, I'm thankful to each one of you for organizing this wonderful program and wishing you all the best to all of you. Requesting Pradyuman sir to close this session.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your wonderful words. So I hope students would have got an idea of how career counseling is done at Parallel University, how career guidance is provided step by step. Plus, if those who are planning to go abroad, what are the services offered here by them? Okay. So once again, thank you, Pawan sir, for your insight into the career counseling and great details provided to students. Thanks, Ms. Shari, for looking after the organization and functional part of the program. So let's end the session. Have a wonderful day ahead. Okay. And keep thinking about your bright future, not just thinking, take steps forward to achieve your dreams. Thank you. Thank you, sir.